Good morning, everyone. This is Daniel Dessert, Chief Student Meteorologist for the Severe Weather Center Weather Forecast Office in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And today's weather risk of thunderstorms later in the day with a high temperature is 24 degrees Celsius. It feels like 27. Becoming gusty later in the day. The wind is coming from the east at 17 km per hour. Wind gusts to be 29 km per hour. The relative humidity is 69%. And pressure is falling to 101.1 kPa. And tonight, developing light rain overnight with a low temperature be 14 degrees. It feels like 13 as we look at the 4-day weather forecast. And tomorrow's Friday. It's going to be chance of showers with a high 22 degrees Celsius and low 14 degrees Celsius. Going into the weekend is Saturday is a few showers, high 22 degrees Celsius and low 10 degrees Celsius. And then on Sunday is mainly sunny, high 21 degrees Celsius and low 10 degrees Celsius. And then we're going into Monday is high 19 degrees Celsius and low 12 degrees Celsius. Up next is the almanac. Yesterday's high is 25.6 degrees Celsius and low 14.4 degrees Celsius. Yesterday it was really warm, and the warmest temperature was at 1971 at 31.1 degrees Celsius. That was really hot that year. The coldest temperature was in 1928 at 1.1 degrees Celsius. It was a little bit kind of chilly that year. And you can follow me at www.insuranceweatherman.com. You can follow us on Facebook. You can download my Accurate Weather app. And you can get your community to your local 4-day weather forecast. And thank you for watching.